here from my weekend Walmart haul. Listen, I hope the AC is not too loud because it is 97 degrees in SoCal. Let me turn this music off before I get a strike. They're gonna be like, strike! Listen, if you're new here and you're for something that's lovely face, I am Shay. Definitely subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button, support your girl. So listen, I have a weekend, and for that I need 18 for $5, which is not gonna happen. Last video I said it wasn't gonna happen, and it did, and I paid highly for it. Like, I paid for that. But in my own defense, I did sell the Referral. I actually sold the 6 that I got so far this week from CVS. I did sell those in sets of $8 sets. So I made 16. What is that? 24. So I mean, at least I did make money off of the hair dye so far. And so, yeah, but we can't be letting that happen all that often, because that's just not, it's not a good feeling. It's not a good feeling. And so today, 18 offers for $5 is not going to happen. I think I have maybe roughly 10 deals to share with y'all today. I'm going to just run in here. It is late. It's 11 o'clock. And so, I'm probably going to do a voiceover just because it's faster. So I'll just shoot in, we'll record some visuals, and then I'll go home and I'll do a voiceover for it. And so other than that, only thing I want to mention was with Shopmium, it is working. Just, if you're having the issue, just delete the app and reinstall it and click United States for your for the option, and it should work for you. But I do want to say that I don't have a whole lot of offers on Shopmium, you guys. Like, I have maybe 20. Like, maybe I have 20, which is not a whole lot. So I don't know what that means for Shopmium. I don't know if it is going to be ending, but as of right now, they're not adding a ton of offers. I have probably have maybe 20, if that. And so let me know what you guys think in the comments. Other than that, we're gonna head into Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl out, you know what to do. Keep on watching. All right, guys. So this first deal is on the Tate's cookies. These are on rollback for $4.98. We do have an offer on Shopkick. It was 1,000 kicks, but mine has since gone down to 850 kicks, which is $3.40, making them only $1.58 per bag. Next up is the Life Water. It's priced at $1.98. Getting back $8 on Ibotta brings this down to only 98 cents. Okay, so the Fancy Feast gems are priced at $2.48. You want to grab 2. You end up paying $4.96 out of pocket, getting back $2.48 from Ibotta. I do have a 50-cent bonus as well, and then $1 on Swagbucks, bringing these down to only 49 cents each. All right, so next up is the Friskies on the Party Mix. It's priced at $1.87. You want to grab 2 of them. You'll pay $3.56 out of pocket. You'll get back $1.78 on Ibotta, bringing them down to only 89 cents each. All right, so next up is the Purcell. I wanted to grab some more of the Purcell packs, but this store didn't have any. I did find $2 pillies on the bottles as well. If you can find the packs, I did use a $2 coupon, and I paid $2.77, got back $2 on Ibotta. It actually worked with the coupon for me, making them 77 cents per bag. Or you can grab the bottles after coupon and rebate. It would make them $1.94. All right, so next up is the Poise. What's a week without Poise, right? So the Poise pass, the 30 count, is priced at $5.97. For this, you want to grab 1 of them. I'm getting back $2 on Ibotta. There's also $3 on Shopmium as well, $3 on Swagbucks, and then 500 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2. It'll make this a $4.03 moneymaker. And of course, I had to grab the U by Kotex again. It's on the 40 count liners. Are priced at $3.64 for this. You want to grab a total of 2 of them. You'll pay $7.28 out of pocket, but you'll get back 2 different offers on Ibotta. One has a limit of 1, so you get back $3 total. $3 on Shopmium, $3 on Swagbucks. It'll make them both free plus $1.72 moneymaker. All right, so this deal here is on the Shea Moisture deodorant. So I'm not going to do this deal, but I'm going to go ahead and share it with you. They are priced at $9.97. Now for this, I have a $2 hang tag that I found on my last trip to Walmart, you'll pay $7.97 and get back 1,250 kicks on Shopkick, which is $5. Makes it $2.97. Not the greatest of deals. I'm hoping that it'll pop up on like Bet You Board or something. And so if it does, I'm there. As of now, I'm not. Okie dokie. So here we are at the last deal. If you get to the last deal, guys, I want to see I want to see a car emoji in the comments if you get to the last deal. So listen, I was really hoping, I was praying I was going to find these little 10 count packs at Dollar Tree. Nowhere in my area at all. So I thought this was a pretty decent deal to share with y'all. So here we are. It's on the Armor All wipes. They are priced at $4.08 for this. You want to grab 2 of them. You'll pay $8.16 out of pocket, getting back 5 on Swagbucks. It's also on my points inbox in ta-da. And then last but not least, 99 cents for each on checkout 51. Makes them 59 cents. So other than that, I'll see you guys at home for the final breakdown. All right, guys. Don't you dare laugh at my haul. I know it's tiny, but it's okay. All right, because after the fiasco of my last haul, you know, and spending more than I wanted to spend, it just didn't sit right with me. I mean, mind you, I did sell the hair dye, and I'm cool with that. That's cool. But ideally, my goal is not to spend so much out of pocket, right? And so this is all that I got today, these 4 deals. I'm still waiting for my receipt on Shopmium to process the Poise and the Kotex. So hopefully once that happens, I'll submit on Swagbucks. As far as the Armor All, that went through perfectly fine on Swagbucks. Now, I was really hoping I would eventually find the little 10 packs of the Armor Alls at Dollar Trees, but no luck at all. And I thought this was a really decent deal as well. And so that's why I went ahead and picked it up. Other than that, what else did I want to mention with this haul? That's basically it, y'all. And it went through on checkout 51 as well, which was good because I was able to cash out, which is cool. And so other than that, I only have 1 receipt, so I'll throw in a screenshot of a pic of the receipt. I only have 1 receipt for this, so we're gonna show y'all my little funky little receipt. Other than that, I'm gonna make this quick. Everything you see here retails $34.53. My sales tax was $165. Getting back $17 from Swagbucks, $7.98 from Ibotta, $6 from Shopmium, $3.96 from Checkout 51, $2 from Shopkick, and $1.70 from Brand Club. We walk away with a total of $38.64 in rebates, which makes this a $4.11 moneymaker. After tax, we still make $2.46, which is still not bad. What I want to mention. Let's mention this real quick. Let's mention Shopkick. Shopkick, they did eventually get back to me on my 1 receipt with the chicken and the dove, because I just have been forgetting to mention it to you guys. I did get credit for the chicken for the 4 bags, but I did not get credit for the dove. So the dove is going back. I just keep forgetting to take it back. I just got to figure out which receipt I did. Walmart rewards and which one I did Ibotta. Not that it matters because they're just going to reverse it regardless. I just don't want to pay $20 for 2 products and I'm only getting back $4. So that's going to go back hopefully on my next trip to Walmart. I just wanted to mention that to you guys. And it's funny because when what's his name got back to me, it's like they're like, okay, well, you can only, it goes by your, how many times you scan the item. So I'm like, okay, so what you're saying is don't scan the item. Because that's what I was hearing from him was don't scan the item because it's based on how many times you scan it. If you only have so many opportunities to scan for scan kicks, then it corresponds with how many times you buy kicks. So I'm like, okay, so what you're saying is don't scan it. He never got back to me. Let me just say that though. He never got back to me though. I guess he didn't want to say what it is. But so with Shopkick, I'm just not going to scan it. I'm going to read the description, read the product or whatever, make sure it's the right product, and I'm going to buy it. And we're going to see what happens with Shopkick as far as that. But yeah, the Dove, I do have to return 2 of them. And so just wanted to mention that. Other than that, our emoji for today is going to be what? Give me a cat emoji in the comments. a cat emoji if you can find it, if you get to the end of the video. As always, I appreciate you guys watching, and I hope you guys are having an awesome day, night, wherever you're watching from, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.